Hey, welcome to the channel, everyone. Model Car Guy Rich here. Hope you're having a fantastic day as always. Today I've got a What Did You Buy Wednesday, which includes this Volkswagen Beetle from Polar Lights. That's cool. A 71 Mach 1 Mustang, which is a Revell kit, and a 1978 Ford 4x4 truck, the Firestone Edition, and that's an AMT kit. Now, I've had this kit in the past. I've had a version of this kit in the past, but I've never had the 71 Mustang, and I'm looking forward to building all three of these. This one here I'm going to build to replicate a vehicle that I owned a few years back. Mine was a 65, but I don't know what year this one is yet. I'll figure that out when I get into the build. And then this one here, if you guys are familiar with the original 1970s version of Gone in 60 Seconds, I'm going to try and replicate that in a model kit. It'll be a little while. I still got to figure out some research on it and that. But that'll be a fun one. And this one here, I don't know. We'll just have some fun with it. So alrighty, folks. Thank you all for stopping by. Appreciate your time. Be sure to come back to the channel often and see what kind of goodies we got going on. Alright, folks. I'll see you on the next one. This is Model Car Guy Rich out. Keep on modeling.